Thanks for joining us today. Today we are going to do a, well, I guess unpackaging, not necessarily unboxing, unpackaging of a Webaround. Now, what I was looking for, because I have a big green screen, but it takes up a lot of room, take a lot of work. I wanted something quickly for gaming sessions or quick videos or whatever to get a green screen operational, up and running. And I did some research in it, and there's a lot of knockoffs and everything else, which probably would work as well, but Webaround has great reviews. They're the number one that seems to make it. They're the one everybody seems to be copying from. So I figured I'm gonna order one, I'm gonna check it out, and hopefully it does the trick. So here we go. This is what we received, of course in a box, but we take it out of the box, and here's the unpackaging part of it. So for those of you that don't know what a Webaround is, or a privacy screen is, it is an actual green screen that attaches to your office chair, which makes it really convenient. So let's open it up and figure out what it's all about. All right, standard packaging, blah, blah, blah. Oh, looks like there's an insert. So what do we have in the insert here? Ooh, instruction manual. This should be pretty interesting. Let's figure out what this has to say. Attach it to the chair, open it up. Yay. Spring pressured. Be careful. And of course, tips and suggestions. Pretty straightforward. I mean, if you can't figure it out, maybe you shouldn't own it. All right, so that's your instruction manuals and whatnot. It comes with a nice little carrying case. Let's open it up. Okay, seems to have a solid piece. I'm probably thinking that that's something along the lines of some support at the back of the chair. All right. So let's get this bad boy open. And hopefully it doesn't spring open. Okay. So here we go. Let's bring the camera up a bit. And we're going to be installing it on my chair over here. So let's just take this, my chair in view, and my big self, and ready. It's the moment of truth. Opening it up. Let's move a light so we don't knock over it. Yep. Here's the spring-loaded part. Gonna knock down my whole studio. Yeah, that's a big sucker, eh? Wow. Okay, so let's scoot this past my lighting. That's gonna be the fun part. That's how big this thing is. Thankfully, it's bendable where the lights are not. Studio lights sorted away here. Yeah. Big ass. Okay. Hopefully that's out of the way enough so you can actually see this. All right. So, chair's going on. Size of the screen. Just a wee bit on the big side. Pretty straightforward. That's a hell of a cover. That is one heck of a cover, eh? If that doesn't give you enough coverage, I don't know what will. Okay. So, as you can see, that's a pretty big cover. Let's get my mic over here so you can hear what I'm saying here. Okay, as you can see, that's a pretty big cover. Like if that doesn't give you enough coverage for a green screen, I don't know what's going to. But that is big and it's pretty solid. I mean, it has a few wrinkles, but the longer it stays open, the wrinkles eventually will go away, of course, because, you know, they're under pressure and everything else. So, okay, so that's what fits on there. I know there's probably some questions as to what was at the back. Let's see if I can get this for you here. So, okay, so I'm just going to show you this. At the back here, this is adjustable. So this can be adjusted to put some space. This can be adjusted to put some space at the back of the chair to move this so it's more flush or more stand-up direction. Okay, so that takes care of that. That is a heck of a lot of coverage. Okay, so the next video I'm going to show you, I'm going to switch to one of my other cameras, and it's going to show you my other camera with the green screen active, so you can actually see how much coverage it gets, so you know how much it actually covers you, you know, and how well that works. So I'm going to switch over to that right about now. Okay, and we're back. So this is it. I'll drop the actual green screen to show you how much coverage there is, but this is a quick little turn it on, away we go, and the green screen's covering like really well. As you can see, I'm looking in the corners and everything else, can't see any of that. So let me just shut off the chroma-key. And look at that. I mean, we got a little bit of zoom there, but trust me, I got tons of space here. Tons of space. So if you adjust it accordingly, like it's a little high up. I have a lot more up above me that I could actually play with. At least a good, yeah, I'm not even touching the top of it right now. So you can adjust your chair. You can adjust pushing it down even more, and you have more than enough coverage. And if your lighting's correctly, your green screen will show up excellently. And for a quick little throw together, throw it on the chair, throw on some of my smaller lights, and away we go. Yeah, definitely a worthwhile purchase. No complaints. So check the video description down below. I will have, of course, a link to where you can purchase yourself one. I think it's a good deal for the price. As you can see, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. And away you go. So check the video description and you'll find a link in there for where you can find out more information about the Webaround and also purchase one yourself. Other than that, thanks for watching another review. See you next video. Bye for now.